Hey Wonderfuls! I had a different and much less practical video planned for today. But on account of the heat wave and heat warnings that are apparently sweeping across Western Canada and the United States, I figured I would share this little tip that I just learned. So my mom just told me about this, and I don't know why she's been holding out for the last 35 years, but this is a literal lifesaver if you're like me and almost die every year because of the heat. It's so simple and I can't believe I've never heard of it before. All you need is a bed sheet, some water, and a fan. You run the bed sheet under some water, get it kind of damp, wring it out, and then lay under it and blast a fan on you. And trust me, this will bring your temperature down quickly and effectively. And it can honestly be the difference between life and death. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this and it works for you, or if you have any other ideas on how to stay cool when it gets this flippin' hot out.